Hi, it's me again, Madam Haslina, and we're going to continue with second step in problem solving, which is design a solution. Okay, based on the problem analysis that have been discussed before, and we're going to use the same question. Okay, so second step is design a solution, and we are going to prepare the algorithm. An algorithm can be represented by using pseudocode and flowchart. And for this episode, I'm going to discuss on how to prepare a pseudocode for the dual selection question. And as you have learned before, an algorithm must start with the word start or begin, and it must end with the word stop or end. And for input, the words that can be used to identify input is read, also can use word enter or the word input itself. So today I'm going to use word read. Okay, and we're going to read our input, which is weight in kg and height in meter. Okay, now we move to the process. Okay, the first process that we should do is to calculate BMI based on the weight in kg and height in meter. Now we're going to calculate BMI by using the formula given here. After we have finished calculating the BMI, we're going to print the BMI. So I'm going to use word display the BMI. This happened based on the first sentence in the question. Okay, after you have calculated the BMI, then we will determine which message will be displayed, either the first message or the second one. This is the difference between selection and sequence. So we need to use this one. Okay, for dual selection problems, this is the general form. Okay, so we need to use word if with the condition here, and then we need to have the word else here, and also we need to have the word and if here. This part is the part of statement when this condition is true. So this one is the part, it's the sentence if the condition is false. Okay. Take a look back at the question. Question said after you have calculated and displayed the BMI, okay, then display the appropriate message based on the information below. Okay. The question said that for person with BMI greater than 25, so this is your condition, then it will display the message, oops, count your calories. This condition should be put here. If BMI greater than 25, and you also can write it by using the symbols greater. So the choice is yours. Either you want to use the symbols or the words. Now, what happens if your BMI is greater than 25? That statement, if this condition is true, so the statement that will be executed will be put here. So from the question, if your BMI is greater than 25, it will display the message here. This is the importance of indentation. So we know that if this condition is true, so we will display the message. Else, if this condition is not true, otherwise display message good. Okay, means that if your BMI is 25 and below, then message good will be displayed. The statement we will put here, display the message. So after you have finished doing your pseudocode, okay, now let's check a little bit on your condition. Now user will put in their weight in kg and height in meter. The program will calculate the BMI and then will display the BMI. After displaying the BMI, then it will check your BMI. Okay, let's say after calculating, BMI is 26. So 26 greater than 25, which is true, then it will display the message, oops, count your calories, and if, and then the program will stop. But if you are calculating the BMI and you get, let's say the value is 21, then here 21 greater than 25, which is false, then it will not do this statement. It will go to else and it will display the message good and if and stop. Okay, hope that it will help you a little bit on doing a pseudocode or preparing a pseudocode for dual selection questions. Okay, that's all for now, and after this we will continue with a flowchart. Right? So bye.